Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make at least 4,000 naira online. Okay, how to make 4,000 naira per day using your smartphone or your PC. If you don't have a PC, that is a laptop, you can use your smartphone to do that. Okay, so here on my channel, what I do on this channel is that I got there, try things out. When they work for me, I come right here and show you exactly what I have done, which means that if you follow my step-by-step guide, you also get the exact same results I got. Right, so here on my channel I do videos on money making, okay, how to make money online, and also content relating making money online. And also if you want to learn how to build a website, I also do the video here. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe right now by hitting on subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you will be notified anytime I release a new update. Okay, so guys, let me go to my screen now to show you how to make 4,000 naira per day using your smartphone or your PC. Alright guys, welcome back again. So there's a new platform that's been launched. Okay, so this platform will enable you to make money online. Okay, to enable you to make money online. Okay, let me tell you the features of this website before I proceed. This website is that you can chat on this platform, you add friends like you do on Facebook. You add someone on Facebook as a friend, then you chat with that person. Okay, you chat with that person as a friend. Okay, that is a private message. You can also send a public message whereby the members of the platform will see it. But if you want to send a private message like the way you do on Facebook, this platform has a feature. All right, and also as you create group on Facebook, okay, this platform will enable you to create group also. Okay, when you create a group on this platform, you get people to join the group, then you're gonna discuss things on the group. Someone might go to the group and post something, you see people commenting on it, and also you can post updates like the way you do on Facebook. You post updates. Okay, you can also attach you can also upload videos or pictures on this platform. These are the features this platform has. Okay, and not only that, it also have a forum discussion. It also has a discussion forum where you learn so many skills. Okay, if you have something to teach, you go to the forum, you post it under the category of what you want to teach. And also if you have a question to ask, you can also go to the forum and ask your question based on the category your questions lies. Okay, so these are the features of this platform. Okay, and according to the admin of this platform, it says that many features will be included, like when you watch a video you earn, you create content you earn. So these are the features the admin is going to add soon according to his statement. Okay, now for now, after all these features, and the most beautiful thing on this platform is that when you refer someone, you make 1,000 naira instantly. Okay, so without wasting time, let me just log into my my account. I use the link in the description of this video below. Just use the link and register. Okay, the registration is only 1,500 naira. With just 1,500 naira, you're going to be making a lot of money on this platform. Imagine you refer someone, okay, you earn 1,000 naira. Now if you refer 4 persons, that is cool, 4,000 naira. Okay, now imagine you refer 20 persons, for example, you earn cool 20,000 naira. Okay, so this is how you can make money on this platform. But let me show you how this platform works. Okay, so I'm going to log in now. Okay, so the platform is going to load right now. So use the link in the description of this video and register. Alright, so here is the platform. It said get paid to chat and watch videos. My cash out forum allows you to make residual income online while watching videos, inviting your friends, chatting and learning digital skills. Okay, it says earn as you chat and watch videos. Work from home. Are you a student, retired worker, monthly salary earner, stay-at-home mom? Register today at mycashout.com.ng and start earning with just 1,500 naira. Okay, now this is how to make money on this platform. You buy coupon code, because you want to register you have to purchase a coupon code from the verified coupon code vendors. Okay, so you register your account, then you go your earnings. To buy the coupon code, you can click here to get your coupon code now. All right, so and another one is that it also has a live chat here. You can contact the admin. Okay, it has a live chat. You can contact the admin of this website or their support, okay, by filling out this form and submit. Okay, all right, so let me log in now. Click on login here. I'm going to log into my own account to show you how much I've made on this platform. It's loading right now. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe right now by hitting on subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay, now let me click on login. Boom, you see my NSA, you see my name is Chue. That is my name. Okay, and I joined this platform on June 19th this year. I've earned 4,000 naira here. It says hi best, copy your unique referral link here and one. So if I share this link now, I'm going to earn 1,000 naira instantly. Okay, this is a fair earnings. I don't have any other one, but here, because I've already received this one, it says paid referral. So these guys have paid me my referral earnings, which is 4 persons, and it is 4,000 naira here. Okay, so this is the good news of this platform. Okay, now like I said earlier that you can post update like the way you do on Facebook. So I'll go to news feed here. Let me show you how this platform works. So this is a cool platform, right? It says what's new, Chue. This is my name. It says what's new. So if I post any update now, you're gonna see it now. Okay, so I can say hello world. I can say hello world, and I click on post updates. It will post right now. Can you see? Musical posted an update in a few seconds. See, I don't have a profile picture because I've not uploaded any profile picture here. Okay, so that is it. I can also add another one. Then I can upload attachment, either music, videos or pictures from here. All right, now here is the groups. You can create a group. Here is the forums, friends, messages. Okay, so just register on this platform and start making money. Like you'll be meeting new friends and you'll be discussing things. Okay, any challenges you have based on what you're doing, you see people giving you solutions on this platform. Okay, when I click on groups, for example, I want to create a group now, like the way you do on Facebook. Okay, so it's here it says create there's no group created already, so I can go ahead and create a group. So if I want to create a group, I'll click on create a group. You can see, so I can now enter the name of the group, then description, then create group. After that, I will now go to settings and say this group, if this group is for let me say public or private, okay, something like that. And I'll now upload the photo. That's the profile picture or the cover photo. I can go ahead and invite friends, okay, like the way you do on Facebook. This is a good platform, okay, and it's a newly launched platform. So I would advise you to register on this platform. If you want to make cool money online, register on this platform using the link below the description of this video with just 1,500 naira. And here is the forum section. Okay, so if you click on this forum now, you see a lot of categories where you'll be learning many things, many details like blogging, web design, YouTube, and everything. So okay, let me show you. It will load right now. Let me show you. You see, it says we will go above and beyond to answer your queries because we care. Welcome to the fastest growing online marketing forum on planet. You see categories here. You see categories. So you get people to answer your stuff. You can go ahead and post something. If you want to teach, you teach. If you want to ask question on the forum, you drop your question. You see people answering your questions, giving you solutions. Okay, so guys, with this platform you can make tons of cash. Like I've made 4,000 naira on this platform. Like I said that you make 4,000 naira per day on this platform if you take it serious, but I know you will surely make this money. Imagine you referring 10 persons, that is cool, 10,000 naira. Okay, you can refer 20 persons per day if you're serious about that. That is cool, 20,000 naira. So this is a real platform, legit platform. Note that this platform is not Ponzi. It's not Ponzi, and it's not MMM that you bring this, you get this at a point, the site will crash. No, this is a real platform. Okay, this is a real business. So it's not a Ponzi scheme. Use this and get this. No, this is a real platform. So guys, make sure you register on this platform if you want to really, if you want to make money online. Really join this platform now. Use the link in the description box of this video below and register. Okay, so make sure you purchase your coupon code, okay, so that you go ahead and register. All right, and guys, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe by hitting on subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So guys, thank you for watching this video. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.